So my first ever board milled. I've been trying to get it videoed, but my tripod and camera keep falling over. So I figured if I just took the first cuts and did it myself, I can always take another video later. But it's only 6 foot, but I mean, that's a what is it, 6 foot long by 15 or 16 inches tall and 13 inches wide. Most of this is probably just going to get cut for firewood, but something I wanted to test. Took a little bit of adjustment to get ready, but overall, really wasn't that difficult. Especially when you're working with something that was Chinese, you didn't get an instruction manual, just figuring it out myself. I think I figured out what it is. I think it's called a RIWA, R-I-W-A, RIA 31G, either R or RS 31G, I'm not sure. It's an older model. The newer ones have a different style clamp system down there, but everything else looks to match up exactly. So yeah, I'm gonna get longer rails track. I'm just gonna go buy some 40-foot 4x4 angle iron and cut it down to 30 feet so I can do about 25 feet. Maybe I'll see if I can transport 40 foot with my trailer and truck, but then I can go, because I mean, I've got massive log or trees that I can mill all over the property. A few of them I'm gonna take down, most of them I'm gonna keep, but you're never gonna complain that you can mill too big of a log.